When it comes to bright rooms or spaces where controlling lighting isn't an option, most projectors simply can't keep up. That's exactly where a high-brightness projector like the ViewSonic PRO9500 excels. This is a professional-grade installation projector designed for clarity, reliability, and usability in environments where standard projectors fail. The first thing you notice is the 5,000 lumens brightness. That's an impressive number, and it shows in real-world scenarios. Rooms with overhead lights, natural sunlight streaming in, or even large office spaces still display sharp, clear images. Text is readable, charts and presentations maintain detail, and videos don't wash out. This level of brightness turns a challenging space into a fully functional display environment. Its XGA resolution, 1024 by 768 pixels, may not be 4K or Full HD, but it's perfectly suited for professional use. The goal isn't cinematic detail, it's clarity for slides, spreadsheets, diagrams, and teaching materials. Every element stays legible, and the dynamic 3500:1 contrast ratio helps separate colors and shades effectively. Darker areas won't be pitch black, but the contrast is more than enough to distinguish elements, which is exactly what matters for office and educational applications. The build quality reflects its professional purpose. This projector is solid, built for long-term installations, and is ideal for fixed setups in conference rooms, classrooms, or auditoriums. It isn't meant to be carried around casually. It's designed to stay in place and deliver consistent performance day after day. Connectivity is another strong suit. Network control allows IT teams to manage multiple units remotely, simplifying large deployments. USB display support reduces setup complexity, allowing content to be shared directly without extra adapters or software. This makes it fast and efficient to start presentations with minimal setup time. Audio comes from built-in 16-watt speakers, which are more than sufficient for meetings, presentations, or casual video playback. They deliver clear and loud sound for general use, eliminating the immediate need for external speakers in small to medium-sized spaces. Installation flexibility is made easy with keystone correction and adjustable placement. Whether you can't mount it perfectly or have to position it slightly off-center, the projector compensates so the image remains aligned. This feature saves time and reduces the hassle of precise measurements during installation. Reliability is another focus. The PRO9500 is designed to run for extended periods without overheating or losing image quality, making it perfect for long meetings, back-to-back classes, or any setting where uninterrupted performance is critical. This projector isn't about delivering a cinematic experience for movie buffs. Instead, it prioritizes brightness, clarity, and ease of use in real-world scenarios where light cannot be controlled. If your priority is readability, visibility, and reliability, this projector is built to excel. To get one for yourself, check the link in the description below for the latest pricing and availability. This is the kind of projector that doesn't just meet expectations, it outperforms them where it counts.